In this video, I will be showing you how to do a half double crochet. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. With your yarn over and go ahead and make your slip stitch, and you can do in a chain of any multiple. So for this tutorial, I'm going to do 15. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So go ahead and remember exactly where your 15's at. Go ahead and chain 2. And in the third stitch from the hook, yarn over. So you end up having 2 loops. I'll show you again. You go under and over, insert your hook, pull through 1. So now you got 3, and you want to pull through all 3. So we'll do it again. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull through, and pull through all 3. Yarn over, insert, pull through 1, pull through all 3. Yarn over, insert hook, pull through 1, pull through 3. And we'll end up doing this all the way towards the end of the row. Alright, we're at the last stitch. Yarn over, insert hook, pull through 1, pull through 3. And you want to turn your work and chain 2, 1, 2. So you want to yarn over. And what I like to do is you'll see that you have 2 options here. You can insert, you see the 2 chains here. You can insert your hook there. Or if you turn your work just a little bit, you'll see that there's 2 more chains. I just end up going into the top chains. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull through 1, pull through 3. Oops. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull through 1, pull through 3. And what this will end up doing is on one side you'll have this rib, the other side is smooth. So we'll go all the way to the end. And you'll see in the sample that I did here that there's ribs on both sides. But I will show you how to have one smooth side and one rib side with this tutorial. If you wanted to have ribs on both sides, what you can do is just keep going with the way this is and just insert your hook into the top stitches. So let's go ahead and get our half double crochet all the way to the end. Alright. Go ahead and turn our work. Chain 2. So to keep this side smoother, instead of going into these stitches right here, we are actually going to insert into these front loops. So we already have our chain 2, yarn over, and insert your hook into the front of the work right here. Yarn over and pull through all 3. So we'll do it again. The front loops, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, insert, yarn over, and pull through. And we'll just do this to the end of the row. Alright, last stitch. And see, what that ended up doing was that created a nice smooth side for the double crochet, half double crochet, and on the back you'll have rib stitches. So this has been the tutorial for how to do a half double crochet. Leave me a comment down at the bottom of what you plan to be doing with your half double crochet project, and hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. I post new videos every Monday, so if you hit the subscribe button and that bell, you'll get notified when the new videos are posted. Have a happy, joyful crochet day.